Hello, Light Coders. We will continue our Linux command series, and today we'll deep dive into pipelines, and we will be using tail and head commands to print first and last parts of files. So let's start with the head command. Head command is used to display the first part of a file. By default, it shows the first 10 lines of each specified file. Let's see some examples. Before doing that, let's see which directory we are in. We are here. So I will go to my folder. Here I have two text files, data.txt and data2.txt. I will display the first 10 lines of data.txt. So that's the command head data.txt. So now this is the first 10 lines. We have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 10 lines because the whole file have only 8 lines. So that's it. So I will, for example, display only the three first lines. So the option is dash n 3 and data.txt. So here we have only the three lines. By default, it's 10 lines, and if the file is less than 10 lines, so the display will be restricted to the maximum lines of this file. I will do the same thing with the other file. I will display only 4 lines, data2.txt. Uh, so the file have only 3 lines. Because of that, even if I do 4 lines, he display only 3 lines. .txt. So that's it. So if I want to display, for example, only 2 lines, it will works only Apple and country. Now let's see the till command. Till command do exactly the inverse. It's display from the bottom. It display only the last 10 lines. If we don't give an argument in option, the value for the in option, it's displayed the last 10 lines of the file. So if I use it with data.txt, because the file data.txt have only 8 lines, it will display all the file. So I will give it, for example, 3 in order to display the three last lines of the file data.txt. If I use this to be displayed in the screen, uh, it's the command till dash n3 data.txt display the three last lines of the file. If I give, for example, 5, it will display. Yes, you say it correctly. It will display the 5 last lines of the file. Yes, so choice, country, apple, banana, and so these are the last 5 lines of the file. So you know now you are you know the functionality or the usage of head and tail comments. Now let's use head and tail comments with the pipelines. So both the head and tail comments can be used in pipelines to view only the first or last parts. For example, for a comment. Now I will use them with comments, not with text files. So let's see. For example, I will I will go to I will ls-l for the folder slash usr, and I want so if I type this, I have a lot of lines. I want only the first, for example, the first 4 lines. So now I have only those 4 lines as a result. Here the output of ls-l/usr is the input for the heat command. And this is the pipe operator that we have seen in previous videos. You can go and watch them and go back here to fully understand the pipelines. For example, if I don't give the uh, dash n, if I let it by default, it will display, yes, it will display the first 10 lines. So that's it. The first 10 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the first 10 lines. Uh, yes, we can do the same thing with tail command. We can use it with this command with ls-l uh, with tail. And for example, dash n 3. I want the last 3 lines of the output of this command. So that's it. src. This is the last 3 lines of this command as we expected. So this is how we can use heat and tail with pipelines. Now I will show you something very useful. How to use tail to monitor log files, for example. So if we use with the tail, if we use the option F in the tail command, if here stands for follow, when you use tail with this option for a file, it displays the last part of the file and then continues to watch the file. It follow the file for any new lines that are added to it. And this is very useful. This is commonly used to monitor log files or other files that are constantly being updated. So if we have, for example, a log file that we know that new lines will be added to it, and when we want to see only, for example, only for the 10 lines, and we want to follow these changes to display the new changes in the screen, we can use this option. For example, the file log file.txt. If we type, we will monitor this file, and if new lines are added, they will be displayed. The command will adapt its output if the file is updated. And this is very useful if we want to monitor log files, for example. So that's it for this video on heat and tail comments. I hope you find it useful. If you have some questions or remarks, let me know them in the comments. Thank you for watching, and until next video, thank you.